Century. Remember when? Hey pals, so we are at Disney's Pop Century and we have a standard room and we're gonna show it. So as soon as you walk in, you have this table. You also have this table right here, which is actually a nightstand, and I'll show you how it works momentarily. You got two plug-ins and two USBs. Yay, that's always a plus. And then over here you have your coffee maker. It's like your little kitchenette area. You have refrigerator down here, but there's even a note down here. It's not exactly a refrigerator, it's just a beverage cooler. It says cools to 41 degrees, so be careful, friends. If you have medication, or if you're nursing and you need a place to store your milk, it does say you can contact the front desk if you need help. Your ice bucket, your cups for your coffee and such, your recycle bin. Let's see. You have plenty of storage. Plenty of storage. You've got some more plugs right here. Two USBs and also over here, awesome. So just right here, you have a total of 4 plugs and 2 USBs. Right here. It looks right here is where your safe is. And I believe that is the Bible. You got an extra pillow. You have, there's the table. You got more USBs here. 2, there's your phone, a nightstand. Let's see how these lights. Ooh. More lighting. And then you have Mickey above the bed. You can walk around here. You have hangers right here, a little hanger, so you can hang your bags if need be. And then on this side of the bed, you also have 2 more plugs and 2 USBs. I just love the Mickeys. That's really the only Disney detail I see in here so far. It's very modern though, even though we're in the 70s building, very contemporary. And here's your closet. There's no door on it, but you do have a barn door style here. As you go into the bathroom area, it's like a barn door style. You can close off from the bedroom area. And then, hey pals. And over here you have your ironing board. You have area for more storage here. Extra toilet paper, always good. You have your handy dandy hair dryer, and your iron. And those are the soft closing doors. That's always nice. This is the sink area. Yay! And it also has a mirror here. That's always helpful. You got 2 more plugins. H2O facial soap. H2O facial soap. Yay! And here is the bathroom. You have towels, toilet, some more towels. And these do have bath You have the H2O products on the wall, over the head, and also handheld shower head. Very nice. Always good to have a bath. If you have littles, you also have the clothesline, which is always good to be able to hang up your swimwear. Yeah. And there is a door here. It's also a barn door style. Oh, that's neat. And it has a full-length mirror. Awesome, pals. So you can close off the shower and toilet area. If somebody's getting dressed out here, you can also close off the bathroom. Or you can also even close off the sink area there. There's that barn door closed. There's that barn door closed. All right. Okay, so you do have a Murphy bed here. And this is 2 queen beds. And you got Pluto sleeping, thinking about some dog bones. How cool is that? This is like fairly easy to put up. And you have your table. Yeah, that's what it looks like once it's put back up. You have a table there that you can eat, do your work if you need an area or a little workspace. So yeah. I believe that concludes the standard room tour here at Disney's Pop Century. And we are in the 70s building. See you, pals.